Hey guys, my name is Charlie. I would like to share my opinion on the course by 9 to 5. I just finished this course like a week ago and I'm start implementing the things from which I learned in this course. And I can tell you, first of all, it's one of the best uh, money to value product I ever bought in the internet. And I bought them quite a lot. So, easily speaking, I want to show you the panel inside and how looks the panel inside and what we have inside. But Jordan make a great value preparing this course and sharing this knowledge with us. So if you are thinking about if you are reviewing and checking if you should join, well, you should stop right now and you should join. Faster the better because the price probably gonna grow up. So first of all, it's like this is a great value. Secondly, inside you can find a lot of information which are packed in the modules, which I'm gonna to show you in just a minute. And the next thing is like all of the students that join the course, we are assigned to the private Facebook groups where you can find a lot of support. Those are like at least reasons you should join the course right now. So first of all, okay, let me open the window and let's have a look inside the course. One second, make it smaller and let's open it here. Yeah, you should see my window right now. Okay, so it may be kind of small, but first of all, if you look, we have a module here. I actually finished all the course, but you can of course go into the beginning of the course easily and pass it again and again. So here you can see the curriculum. So you have the few modules. Each course is divided in many modules. So all the knowledge is not like one big mess. It's stored, and you should pass all the course from the beginning up to the end as my advice. And then after you finish, you start go through again and implementing after you see everything together. So first of all, you have the introduction. It's about the course. It's like Jordan saying thank you and inviting to the Facebook group and so on, so on, so on. And then since the second one, you can start you create your YouTube account and AdSense account and navigate it to the YouTube. Then you have the module number 3, which is getting to the monetization review within 1 month and how to pass it with one video. Actually, Jordan find out many different ways how to pass the monetization, how to do it without extra pay, and how to do it with extra paid ways, which are faster, more convenient, and he has also very good providers of different service inside the Facebook group because many of his students become also like a providers of different service. So actually, it's very worth to join to the Facebook group. The next module, as you see, it's download video, uploading videos, scheduling videos. So everything you can schedule, but you can do by your YouTube Studio, how it works, how to do it, and so on. I click to open some of the video. Uh, Under the videos, you can find the comments and so on. Uh, in each comment before it's posted, it's approved by Jordan. So this way he can make sure that he find each comment and he didn't miss any comment. So he always answer your questions. This is also valuable. Okay, let me go back. Generally speaking, I'm not, I don't need to go through all the course here and all the schedule of the course. You can find it later when you join. But generally speaking, all the knowledge here or the course when you join, it's everything is in order. I mean, like you can start passing the video and you can start implementing. Then you can stop. The program will show you, the website will show you how many percent of the course you already passed and how many is in front of you and so on. But it's very good idea to pass all of this first and then try to implementing this, just because also you have many questions when you start and most of them will be solved in the later videos, just because simply saying Jordan covered the topic very clearly. So it's for everybody. It's actually everybody can use this course. It doesn't matter if you are like kind of person who is familiar with a lot of IT stuff and YouTube and Google and like AdSense and so on, or you simply know nothing about that and you have to just what is a Google AdSense? How I open the AdSense account? So yeah, he explained everything just inside the course. So simply speaking, you just have nothing to do better than just start and make your action and buy the course and join us. And if you have any question, I will be also happy to assist you over there in the Facebook group. So see you there and have a good one. And bye 9 to 5.